In today's video, I'm going to be doing my natural hair in 2-strand twists. Not necessarily a tutorial, but I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it and the products that I use, and you might be interested in that. So if you are, please continue watching. So here's the products that I'm going to be using. First, just the spray bottle with water. I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner. It's by Camille Rose, Honey Hydrate Step 1. It's just a leave-in conditioner. And then this is not the ordinary glycolic acid toning solution, but instead it's just a mixture of oil that I made on my own, and I figured that this was kind of a very nice way to reuse this container. But yeah, basically just oil. And then lastly, my favorite detangling brush, which also came with this. It was like a natural hair care kit. But yeah, they came together, this brush and this water spray bottle. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is the hair we're starting with. If you saw my previous video where you did the, what the heck? If you saw my previous video where I did the ultimate hydration method, these are the results. So this is what I'm going to be working with today. When I do my 2-strand twist, it's more of a freestyle. Like, I don't actually part it any particular way. I don't really use any combs. I just kind of go with the size that I will want. Not too big, but not like too small or anything. And for this, it is a little bit big, so I'm probably going to just take some of the hair out. Let me pin this because I don't think it would have been too, yeah. So this is the first size that I'm going to work with. The leave-in conditioner that I'm going to use, the honey one, the reason why I like to use it is because I feel it adds a lot more shine than your normal deep conditioners. Your normal leave-in conditioners. So that's why I'm gonna use that today. I haven't ever used it on my 2-strand twist, but I did use it on my wash and go, and it made my hair look so nice. So yeah, I'm really just trying to make sure it has no tangles in it. When I say a little tiny bit, I mean like this much, very little. Yes, that's how much I'm just gonna use. Then probably just a little, same amount of oil, really. I don't know if I can show you, but yeah, same amount pretty much. It's mostly just to make sure I got the roots. And then just detangle again. Detangle, detangle. And then I'm just going to separate it in two. That's why it's called 2-strand. And then just twist. So like I said, nothing too special. And as I get closer to the end, just keep detangling it more. And I just twist it around my finger, so I have a little spiral. Can you see? And that's it. So one down, like, I don't even know. 50, 30, 100 to go. So I'm finally done the first side. They look very moisturized, right? Yes, this is the goal. So I'm going to quickly finish the second side now. And yeah. Hopefully this is... Can you believe we went from this to this? Twist. Okay, let's keep going. I'm finally done. This is the finished product. Oh my gosh, how moisturized do these twists look? And they look so chunky and juicy and filled with moisture. This is the back. I don't even know what the back looks like, and for me it's not really a concern of mine because honestly I just I don't know, I don't really need to part it when I do this style. I just go with whatever feels right, and unless I'm going out, that's the only time I really do my edges. I put a little bit of oil on them. For the most part I just leave them how they are because I want this to be a true protective style. Protect the edges, the ends, the roots. Like, I don't want it to be like doing any damage. I want it to just be natural. So we are going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed watching me do these chunky twists. I'm going to leave the products I use in the description box. I don't know if you will have any questions on this, but if you do have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe. And I'm going to sign off now. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.